370 days. You want to go back to those days. You want to say that those days were better off? You were better off?
Yes,
there were jobs.
When 370 was better.
There was safety. There was no stone pelting. Those were better days.
We want protection of jobs. We want protection for our land. When 370 got abrogated in the parliament, in Lok Sabha,
you are lying through your teeth.
Home Minister, what
you do not even know how to spell economy. More than 1.8 crore tourists came into Jammu Kashmir in the last 18 months.
Madam,
there's a direct flight from Srinagar to Dubai.
Tourists were coming earlier also. Don't say tourists are coming.
No, tourists were coming earlier also. Can you give me the figures? Can you give me the figures in 2013? Not even 20 lakh tourists used to come to Jammu Kashmir. Today that number has risen from 20 lakh to almost 2 crore tourists visiting Jammu Kashmir every single year. From being a power deficit state, Jammu Kashmir today is largely a power surplus state. Today you have AIMS which is coming up in Awantipora. You have AIMS which is there in Jammu. Today the people of Jammu Kashmir have rejected and discarded the polarizing communal politics of the National Conference, the polarizing communal politics of Farooq Abdullah and his son Omar Abdullah. इसलिए आपके पेट में इतना दर्द हो रहा है. How dare you talk about Amit Shah? Amit Shah जी ने पूरा का पूरा कश्मीर हमारा है.
What is the qualification of the son of Home Minister?
कश्मीर हमारा है.
What is the qualification of Desha?
Do you think POK belongs to India? Yes or no? जवाब दो. Do you think POK belongs to India? Yes or no? पहले इसका जवाब दो. बाद में भाषण देना.
It doesn't matter whether I think or not. If you think like that, go and capture it. You always say we'll take it, take it. Government belongs to you, power belongs to you. You are sitting there, take it.
See what is coming across? What is coming across? Amir, what really is coming across? I would like to spell it. I would like to spell what is coming across through this debate and the argument that you're making. It's very clear, Aarti. It's very clear that the problem is with the fact that the BJP is in the center. The BJP is there in the center. So, and it comes across from the point. Amir said we haven't lost. Who makes you think that Omar Abdullah lost Baramulla? He did not lose to the BJP. So the problem is that till the BJP is around, that is the problem.
He did not lose to the BJP, he lost to
but he did not lose to the BJP, so it's a victory for him. It's a moral victory for him.
So I should be clapping for Mehbooba Mufti.
Aarti.
Some deranged logic.
What it really indicates is the fact that the National Conference, PDP, and of course their ally, the Congress Party, are really banking on communal rhetoric in Kashmir. They are playing the same communal, soft separatist politics, restoration of Article 370, continuously demonizing the other. In this particular case, the other is BJP, the other is basically Hindu or Hindutva represented by the BJP. This demonization is the source of their regressive politics. It has always been the source of their regressive politics in the last 75 years. They're banking on this politics and hoping that the Abdullahs and the Muftis will come back, of course, in alliance with the Congress Party. The last time the Congress and National Conference were in an alliance in 1987, you know what happened in Kashmir? Well, we had Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front taking up arms. We had Hizbul Mujahideen terrorists in and around Kashmir and killing not just Kashmiri Hindus but also every Kashmiri Muslim who was raising his slogan and his voice for the sake of for India and Indian national interests. So the problem really is that any nationalist voice, any person who is openly supporting India, who is openly saying, yes, it is important to have Hindu-Muslim coexistence, it is important to have pluralistic existence, that is something that they do not like. They do not want that. They want conflict industry because conflict industry has produced enormous wealth for a very small section of people, especially the Srinagar elite and of course the Abdullahs and the Muftis.